everyone, Nick here, and it's no doubt that self-driving cars are going to change the way we live our lives. That is a total given, and I can very easily cover the incredible specifics, but truthfully, I want to do something different. I want to discuss the burden of such technology and what it means for engineers. Imagine you're in a self-driving car and you're about to crash into a group of 5 or 6 pedestrians. The only other option is to veer left and drive off of a cliff, meaning instant death for you, the passenger. What is the machine programmed to do? Let's check it out. Okay, so I'm all sure you've heard the philosophical equivalent of this issue at some point in your life, but it needs to be addressed. Should you kill one to save 5? And depending on the type of person you ask, you might immediately have your answer. But how does a computer, how does a machine interpret the value of a human life? Things like emotions, desire, value, principles are not binary, so how can you stuff it into a 1 or a 0? And that being said, where do we draw the line for the sake of our own morality? And the truth is, the actual painful truth, is that eventually a computer will need to be able to differentiate humans from each other. And that's going to be based off of pretty arbitrary measures. So now you may be telling yourself that, oh, these cars are so advanced, they'll never make mistakes. And as beautiful as computers are, they are also very rigid machines, and mistakes are bound to happen. And when a bunch of non-philosophers were asked the same question, 75% of them said that the car should swerve off the cliff and kill the passenger instead of the group of pedestrians. But something interesting to ponder would be if there were 2 children in the back seat. How suddenly does all of this moral calculus change? Obviously, none of us have any of the answers. All that we can say is that we truly pity the engineers, designers, and even lawyers that have to deal with the issue. And we can't just say, oh, hard code the machine to always save the pedestrian on the road. Because what if a pedestrian recklessly jumps in front of a car and the car and its driver are not at fault? What do you do? Most of all, it's tough, it's painful, but it's also very interesting, and I hope it gave you another insight into the burden that many people face when developing new technologies. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll check you guys next time.